Hi, this is Grace from KL University. Here comes to interview you for our skill development project. This project includes what we learn or what we gain the skills from the whole semester, and we want to implement those skills in the project in the current business systems. And we chosen our business system as service management system. It is a project in which we create a website for the user access, and now I am here to ask you or to know how the user wants our website, how it would be. It is as to accessible for the users and to seek their needs, so that I am here to ask about the users. And firstly, I want to ask about, do you prefer online services?
Of course, I do. I mostly prefer using services like Zomato, Swiggy, Ola, Amazon, Flipkart, etc.
Yeah, that's good.
Good morning. I am Vidya. Right now I am pursuing my engineering second year, specialized in computer science and engineering in KL University. So today I am going to interview a person regarding our project. Our project is that to build a website based on the business system we have chosen. The business system we have chosen is service management and systems. So in this project we are going to implement all our skills which we have learned so far. As a part of field research in this project, we are going to interview a few persons. The main theme of this field research is that to know what the user exactly needs and what exactly he expects from our website. As a part of that, today I am going to interview a few persons. Good morning.
Good morning.
So firstly, your good name please.
I am Purna Chandrika.
Are you a student
Yes,
or?
I am student of NIT Andhra Pradesh.
Okay. So do you like to use online services?
Yes, I prefer online services. These days, everything is online.
As you said, you are already familiar with many online services. Now I want to ask that, are there any challenges that you faced when you are using them?
Well, I faced some issues like less quality, no guarantee, and high cost, and even sometimes it feels like it was such a risky job during this crisis times.
Yes.
What are your biggest challenges on using online services?
They are quite lot, but the first most thing is that quality of the product. We usually don't get such quality products while we are ordering from online, right? Some may get damaged, some may get the quality. If we are in case, just an example, if we are buying a cloth from online, we usually find that cloth more attractive while we watch it on.
We thought of building our website, unlike already websites that are currently present in the market. We want to provide hardware service for the appliances that are used in homes. And so that I want to ask, do you have any suggestions or what do you think of it?
Yeah, that was a great thing to hear. But I want to know exactly what it provides so that can seek my needs.
Well, first, so that we are providing home service for the appliances.
Actually, we are thinking to develop a website on hardware appliances.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Generally, what do you expect from such kind of websites like hardware appliances?
As a student, we usually use laptops, mobiles, right? So we usually face many technical issues. It might be helpful for that.
Hello, good morning. My name is Tulasi. I am a student at KL University. We are conducting a survey on our ST2 project. What is your opinion on home services?
I think it is good and it makes things easy.
Do you prefer to use home services?
Yes, I prefer to use home services rarely.
I want to ask that, have you ever feel burdened for taking appliances which have got repaired, so that you can take them to the showroom? Have you feel burdened so far?
Yep, to be frank, yes, it was such a burden to me when I was busy with my work, and I feel it was such a heavy work to me to get it repaired.
Have you ever feel burdened to take them to any shop or getting repaired?
Yeah, of course. They take a lot of time. They sometimes they ask us to keep our system there and come tomorrow or like that. They usually take a lot of time. It's quite risky, right, to keep our systems there.
Do you think home services cost more?
Yes, I think it cost a bit more than usual.
What is your biggest challenge in using home services?
I think it is not trustable and risky process.
Do you feel burdened by taking your appliances and getting it repaired by yourself?
Yes, I feel it is little burden.
So can you please elaborate your words, like what exactly you expect from our website?
It should be like if we have some problem, we should be like you should take query from us, like what's exactly the problem is, and suggest us what you have to suggest us, right? Firstly,
So actually,
rather
we
than
have
sending you
experts
personally.
like whatever the subject is, we have regarding the experts regarding that subject, so that it would be helpful for you. So
Yeah.
is that okay for you? Like,
Yeah.
is
Uh,
that what you expect from us?
yeah, what my point is that first you have to suggest us to solve it by ourselves. Like if it's very small thing, like we face very small technical issues while using Smooth,
Miss?
then you send your technical volunteer
Team.
to
Yes.
solve that issue.
Okay.
So, what do you prefer, or what do you suggest, or what do you want the activities in our website?
I can expect things like taking care of my things in your own way and getting it repaired, and if it was required to do so, taking to the showroom and get it repaired, and with a affordable way, and doing some quality of work.
That's great. We want to do exactly as you said.
Do you think home services are useful?
Yes, I think it is useful.
Thank you for sharing your opinions and sparing your time.
So finally, do you have any suggestions for our project?
Like you have to provide guarantee for that.
Yes, surely.
How long your service is going to last.
Actually, we thought of providing a lifetime guarantee for our parts, and we even think of collaborating with some other companies regarding this issue. So that's what our idea.
That's really great idea. We will be pleased to use that such a time.
Thank you so much for being so supportive.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for being part of this user connection. And as I got many requests, or I got many ideas that how our website should be in the near future, and I hope that our website will seek all your needs or will meet your requirements at any cost. And thank you for being my part of project. And yeah, thank you.